The brain is housed inside the bony covering called the cranium. The cranium protects the brain from injury. Together, the cranium and the bones that protects the face are called the skull. Between the skull and the brain is the meninges, which consists of 3 layers of the tissues that covers and protects the brain and the spinal cord. They are the dura mater, arachnoid mater and the pia mater. Now, dura mater, it is made up of 2 layers of the whitish non-elastic film or membrane. The outer layer is called the periosteum and inner layer the dura that lies inside of the entire skull that creates the little folds or compartments in which part of the brain are protected and secured. These folds are the falx cerebri. It is the largest enfolding found in the longitudinal cerebral fissure which divides the 2 cerebral hemispheres. Then comes the tentorium cerebelli that separates the occipital lobe of the cerebrum from the cerebellum. The falx cerebelli, it is the vertical enfolding below the tentorium cerebelli. It helps to separate the cerebral hemispheres. Then comes the diaphragm sella. It is the smaller enfolding and forms the roof over the pituitary gland. Arachnoid is the second layer of the meninges. The membrane is thin and it's delicate and it's covered the entire brain. This is the space between the dura and the arachnoid mater that's called the subdural space. The arachnoid mater is made up of delicate elastic tissues and the blood vessels of the varying size. Pia mater, it is the layer of meninges which is closest to the surface of the brain. The pia mater has many blood vessels that reaches deep into the surface of the brain. The pia, which converts the entire surface of the brain, follows the fold of the brain. The space that separates the arachnoid and pia mater is known as the subarachnoid space. It is within this area the cerebrospinal fluid flows. Watch detailed lecture on sqadia.com anatomy course. That's 2 minutes. See you in the next video.